Hey guys, welcome to Rustic Approach. I'm Jared. Today I'm going to show you guys how I put legs on a bench. So this is an 8'5" monkey pod piece that I'm doing 2 benches for a big 9-foot table that I did. So today I figured I'd show you how I put the inserts in and put some Flowyline legs on it. Stay tuned. So first thing I do is I find the center. So we're at 99.5, which would be 49 3/4. Measure both ways. So since my back edge is straight and I'm leaving the live edge towards the outside of the table because the table's live edge. So what the customer wanted me to do is put a straight edge on the underside so when they push the benches up underneath the table, they can still see the live edge kind of flow out. So basically what I do is I take these legs, 3 5/8. But usually I just go right off that cone because that's the center. The way to square it since I know my back edge is. Gives me about 1 3/4 inches there. Go 5.5 there. So really, I probably need to go about 1.5 inches. It'll give me enough all the way through instead of 2 inches. So 5.5. Go 1.5 inches here. Go ahead and keep our mark. About 1.5 inches. 5.5. So what I do, okay. Kind of see me. So what I do typically, I see a lot of guys take their drill because that's where you're going to put your hole. But what I like to do is I mark my center And these really only need 4 because they're so small. So I mark my center. So you can see them right there. And so you can see I just bought that doodad off Amazon, but it's pretty good stuff. I see a lot of people use blue tape, but it never did work for me. So I just take my mark, you can kind of see. Take my drill. So I kind of start slow, just make sure it sits in. So once the drill bit kind of sits in, and kind of there you go. Monkey pod's really, really soft. The fibers are just, they're not real tight. Feel a lot of tear out. My inserts. So I do everything by hand just because I'm afraid I'm going to tear it out, but I use Starbond medium. And I start slow so I don't strip it out, and I try to keep it as straight as possible. So with these legs, I have to use washers. So, see how close we are. circle our marks. I've noticed that star bond likes to set up in my hole sometimes before I can get the bolts. If you guys got some ideas on a better way to glue those in, let me know. There you go, guys. So, pretty simple. Do a step for all three. But I'm Jared from Rustic Approach. My buddy Wes from Mitchell's Backyard Logging was telling me the other day that I don't do enough long content for my YouTube channel, so I figured I'd start showing you guys some of the stuff that I do in the shop. Thanks for watching.